Alright, so our I can statement today is I can compare and contrast two or more settings or events in a story, drawing on specific details in the text. So on Friday, in our Journeys book, we read Old Yeller, and we looked at our two characters that have been introduced so far, our main character Travis and his little brother Arliss, and we wrote down in our red journals how they were similar and how they were different. Go ahead and take out your red journal right now. On the next slide, you guys are going to be able to draw on this slide. I want you to write down one thing from Travis that we wrote in our red journal, one thing from Arliss that we wrote in our red journal, and if we wrote something for both, I want you to put it right here, okay? Just so we can get thinking about our story, and then I will go ahead and read it to you while you read along in your Journeys book.